Hello everybody, day 20 quarantine. Hopefully you guys are learning a new skill like computer hacking skills, nunchuck skills, cooking skills. Well, I'm gonna show you how to make a new dish. It's garlic, lemon, pepper chicken. Actually chicken tenders, so let's go to the kitchen right now.
Minced garlic. Garlic. About 2 to 3 minutes, put in the oil. Alright people, so it's hard to use one hand and holding the camera the other hand, but I'm gonna squeeze the lemon. When you have big hands, it's easy. Alright, so we squeeze the lemon in there. So we add the garlic, lemon, and I'm gonna add some onion powder. Alright, and then some lemon pepper seasoning. And then we're gonna add some chicken seasoning. And then I chop some cilantro and purple onion. Garnish it with some and then I'm gonna add a little bit of tapatio so we can give it a little kick and some color. About 2 tablespoons. Check it out. Look at that. Starting to look good. And the reason why I like chicken tenders, organic chicken tenders, they cook fast. It's chicken breast, but it's a little bit juicier. Look at that. That's why it's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. It's been about 6-7 minutes. Now we're gonna flip it. So cooking time, it's about total maybe 15-20 minutes. All right, medium heat. You can cook it faster if we cover it. So what we're gonna do is cover it so we can. All right, so we can cook it a little bit faster. Alright, and then it'll cook evenly if you cover it. So the chicken right now, it's been 5 minutes. Let's see how it looks. Look at that, the best. Tenders, look at this, beautiful chicken tenders. Alright. Look at that, the best. Always comes out fluffy, moist. All right. Check it out, check it out. Look at that, fluffy, fresh. And I'm gonna garnish it with some cilantro and a little bit of purple onion. Top it with the chicken. Make it fancy, huh? Make it fancy. All right. I'm gonna top it with a little bit of cheese. And boom! You got yourself some gourmet chicken tender dish. All right. Show you a little close up here. Look at that. Delicious. Got some fluffy rice, moist fluffy rice, chicken tenders, garnished with some garlic, cilantro, pinto beans with cheese.
All right, party people, if you like the video, please share, give me a like, and also subscribe. If you want more information regarding real estate or food recipes, just go to my website, topchefrealtor.com. And if you want the lemon squeezer, just click on the link below. It'll take you directly to amazon.com. Stay healthy, my friends.